In the grand city of Susa, far from his homeland, lived Nehemiah, a humble cupbearer serving the mighty King Artaxerxes. His life was comfortable and respected, yet his heart still longed for the land of his ancestors. One day, Nehemiah's brother, Hanani, arrived from Judah with heartbreaking news. "The people in Jerusalem are in great trouble," he said. "The city walls are broken down, and the gates are burned with fire." The words struck Nehemiah like a blow. His beloved Jerusalem, the pride of his people, lay in ruins. Overwhelmed with sorrow, Nehemiah sat down and wept. For days he mourned, fasting and praying before the God of heaven. In the stillness of his chamber, beneath the moonlight, he poured out his heart. "O Lord, great and awesome God, you keep your covenant of love with those who follow you. We have sinned against you, but remember your promise, that if we return to you, you will gather us again." His prayer rose like incense, filled with both pain and hope. In that moment, sorrow became resolve. Nehemiah's tears turned into determination. He knew what he must do. He would go to Jerusalem, rebuild its walls, and restore the honor of his people. With courage burning in his heart, Nehemiah looked toward the distant land and whispered, "Lord, give me strength." Sometimes the greatest rebuild begins with a single prayer and a heart willing to act.